a zero. I'm gonna stick my finger in this while the birds go crazy.
Ready?
You see this one? This one looks at the sky. I think you can see it.
Turn on the light because I can't see over here.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, ready?
Okay. Sammy, if you can get Sammy, this is Sammy, say hi to the audience. Okay. And she's named is Sammy. I'm going to try to show you the one that looks at the sky. Okay, if you can see it. Yeah. Okay. So, this might hurt. I hope you comment. What's up, Luigi? Okay. Oh, pretty close.
Didn't work.
So no.
Gotta wait.
Try. Oh, for real?
They did it.
Oh, freak. They almost hit me. I'm gonna try to touch one of them.
Stay there.
I know, I'm gonna try to touch one of them. Come on, some birds. I know I'm scared of. Hey, you wanna see? Oh, okay.
Ready?
Ready. Oh, hey, you wanna see? I'm gonna scare these birds. Hold up. With the bird. I'm gonna pass it on to Sammy. That's Sammy.
Hi.
No, do something to the birds.
Leave them alone. They're poor birds.
Watch this. Well, stick your finger in there. What? Stupid bird. Oh, you stupid. Those are. I'm gonna show you which one's the girls and the boys. That's a girl. Those are the boys. Is that the one in the middle, the one that looks like a sky? I think it's trying to peck me. That one's a girl. These two are girls and those two are boys.
Whoa, have you made
Oh,
babies?
look, they barely finished the nest.
Well, ours already had babies. Well, they're having the baby.
Okay, you see the couples right there? Yeah, okay, now they switch couples. Yeah. Ooh, they're gonna mate.
It's called mate, not maid.
Mating. The birds on TV.
Well, you're on the internet.
Now you are. I'm kidding.